Hi guys, hope you're all keeping well. So, a very quick video from us, not really about a retrofit or anything like that, but more to tell you about an upgrade that we've done to our building. So, you may have seen in social media posts and all that sort of stuff that we've now got a fully solar system fitted to the roof of our building, so we can start sending energy back to the grid. We can carbon offset and all this sort of thing. As an automotive company, it's quite a responsible thing to do and helps means that we're not putting carbon into the atmosphere, which as human beings we should be keeping an eye on. Now, one of the other things that we've had done is we have had EV points installed. So we've got a solar edge system up there, and then we've got MyEnergi system down here. So if I just flip the camera around, give me 2 seconds. So we have a ID3 here from Volkswagen that we've just completed the retrofit on, and it's plugged in, just charging up, so that it goes back to the dealership with a full charge. So it's going in at the moment, it's plugged in, it's locked, can't do anything with it, and it's charging. So what's happening down here is the system is currently pulling, is charging, well, it's actually 9 seconds away from being fully charged, which is pretty awesome. But what it's doing is it's pulling in the solar panel and diverting it to the Zappi to charge this vehicle. Oh, it's actually just finished charging now, so that's pretty cool. So what it's doing is it will estimate how long it takes to charge it, and it will either use our solar panels to put the power into the car, or it will take it from the grid if it's not such a sunny day. So it's really it's quite an eco-friendly system that we're having here. It's pure solar that's charging this vehicle at the moment, and it's currently going in at 4 kilowatts, which is pretty cool. So what this means for us is that if you have Volkswagen, Audi, Tesla, Mercedes, anything like that that needs charging, then we can offer charging facilities whilst your vehicle is being worked on. So if we've done the work, we can then quickly pop it on charge, so that you guys, if you come from afar, you can then have your vehicle all charged up, ready to go home, as long as it doesn't take too long. We have, forgot to say as well, this is our normal rate charger, and over here is our fast charger. So this can output at a maximum of something like 22 kilowatts per hour, which is pretty awesome, to be fair. So yeah, so we've got 2 options for 2 vehicles depending on what we need to charge. So yeah, it was just really a bit of a quick update for you guys, that we are moving with the times. We are working on EV vehicles. We've got our own EV vehicle coming soon at some point, probably December this year. And yeah, awesome technology, love it, love the new EV system, love the solar system, and yeah, quick update for you.